The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Monday morning, guys. Good morning. And there is the 8 o'clock bell. Fellas, good morning. It is Monday. Monday. All right, guys. Let's see here what we got going on. All right, fellas. First spot trade of the day is on. Good morning, Caesar, Marco, Jacques, Caleb. Guys, good morning. Patrick, Paul, Rich. Guys, good morning. Today is Monday. It is August 2nd. This link and one more, and we are back into September. Jeff, Becky, good morning. All right, so let's see here. We've got trade number 1 on gold, and it's a winner. As you guys know, we start gold at 6 a.m. Good, Caitlin, you are a world traveler, man. We've hit first target and second target at 17 ticks. Guys, this morning I thought, let me turn on the ES at 6 o'clock just to see if I can get some more trades. And this is what we got. So we have an ES trade on as well. This is the 6 a.m. start. And we will see what we get here. We've got sellers coming in. I'm going to manually move this to break even. That's going to come down, it looks like. I have the auto trail on. Yeah, it's out. So we got a winner in gold, and we have an ES trade on at 6 a.m. If you guys recall, this is trader discretion, whether you started at 6 or 9:30. I decided this morning, let me try 6 a.m. and see if we can get some more trades. We're only getting a couple trades a week in the ES. In any event, we did come 3 ticks from target 1, and we bounced. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on that. No volume in the ES at the moment. We do have non-farm payroll on Friday, which I believe will probably give us the direction that we may seek. I think if the number is very, very good, I think the Fed would be more inclined to start tapering, which would probably crush the market, in my opinion. And if it's bad, I think that would be good for the market. So that's not until Friday. I doubt we have any news today. No, we have ISM at 10 o'clock. Okay. We have a couple of earnings this afternoon. Nothing that we're really interested in. Take two. There's Mosaic. There's nothing really. Mosaic might be interesting, but tomorrow Amgen is interesting. We got a lot of earnings this week. I don't really see anything else. Amgen might be interesting. No news tomorrow. In any event, guys, good morning. We're back at it. We had a really good week. We're turning up in the NASDAQ and the Russell coming into the session. We just closed above VWAP, so we're looking for longs for those of you guys that are paying attention. Also, if you guys are in order flow group today, good morning, Greg, Brian, good morning. I have sent the link. You guys should all have the link. Let's see here where we are in the markets. Currently, Dow futures are up 124. S&P futures up 21. NASDAQ's up 77. Russell's up 18. Russell's leading it up 0.8%. VIX futures down, call it 2%, back below 20. VIX cash is up 0.6% at 18. and change. Ray, good morning. Guys, good morning. Let me read the disclaimer. And we'll get on with it. See if we can't find something to do here early on. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to the trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Or this week, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. I'm not sure if my trials have shown up, but welcome to the room. What you'll see this week, I will put an ellipse around all the trades. I will number the trades. And I will, of course, at 11 o'clock in the morning, all the bots will be done trading. I will then go through the trades as I have been doing. Currently, the gold bot is on, NASDAQ is on, and this morning I decided to turn on the ES at 6 a.m. At 8:55, crude will begin trading, and then at 9:30, the Russell. Those are the 5 bots that we will trade. How was Atlanta? It was good. It was good, Paul. Thank you. We, Friday night, not much. And we'll see what we get, guys. Let me see gold. If gold comes down below 082, if 082 goes, gold can come back down to 99. Nice, Becky. Just really slow. So this is the second trade in gold. We're still sitting, or I'm still sitting in this ES trade. Again, I decided to turn it on today at 6 a.m. in an effort to get some more trades. And we're just stuck. Morning, Dave. Monday in the summer, guys. Monday in the summer. So now we've got this double bottom here right at target, and we're holding now 0.096. And if gold breaks down below this 0.82, it's going to get hit. One just came one tick from target. It's one tick from target.
Target filled.
There it is. Target filled, fellas. If it breaks here, 99.4 could come, which is where I think we'll go. But you can see the ranges are still pretty small. Anybody have any questions, guys? Anybody do anything fun this weekend? Let's see, pre-market. Everything's green in pre-market. Apple's up 93 cents. Facebook up $1.95. Tesla, $12.30. Going to be over 700. Roku up 5.29. Netflix up 93 cents. Nvidia up $1.31. Baidu up $3. Google up 10.58. No, definitely not. And I'm not sure who that is, but okay, got it. Oh, that's fun. Harris is fun. Did you make any money? Nice. Even better. Even better. Nice job, Trevor. Boy, we're so dang slow here, Caleb. You know, I'm not a big fan of pre-market. Nasdaq, if it breaks up, I mean, Friday is going to be an interesting day with non-farm payrolls. But who knows what we get? I still like gold long. Congress worked on an infrastructure deal over the weekend, which should send the buck lower. Let's see what we're doing with the dollar index today. Yeah, we're coming down. We're bouncing a little bit in the dollar, but going to give back a little out on gold. Small choppy ranges on gold, guys. There's same as last week. I'm going to move this off the screen. It's going nowhere. NASDAQ hanging around. Copper would have been a good trade. Morning, Hubba Hubba. Very good morning, Dean.
10 minutes at the bottom of the hour, 8:30 Chilean June economic activity readings expected from 0.
If gold holds this 082, it'll bounce. I'm not convinced it does, but good morning, Scott. If that breaks, I think we're in for a. Let me see. I'm almost thinking we're going to bounce. Blocked by here at 10.4. I think we bounce back to 13.1. I'm going to try a long in gold.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Morning, Isaac. Yeah, you're welcome.
Target filled.
Hey, guys. Hang on. 10.6.
Order submitted.
10.6. I may not get this.
Order filled.
All right. There's the long on gold. Stop is 082. Damn it. I don't have an ATM on. Nice. Let's try 12.6 first target.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay. $12.4 target one. 12.4. Target one, 12.4. Come on, dog. Or as you guys see fit. For my order flow, guys, we're fighting that. Right? Look where we stopped. Right here. Right at the sellers. Come on. Come on. Two ticks? Seriously? 2 ticks? That should have been a good trade. Guys, as always, trade them as you see fit. Buyers here, 23. You dog. If you guys want to take risk off, take it off. Gave 15 ticks. Didn't get the target. on, bounce here.
Chile, their June economic activity of 20.1% year-over-year above the estimate, and up 2.1% month-over-month, also above the estimate for the Chilean June economic activity data.
NASDAQ's rolling. The ES on the bot is coming back down, back to the entry. Come on, gold.
Order filled. Order filled.
Well, we now have a short on the NASDAQ on the bot. I think we can come down to 85, which was Friday's high. But we now have a short on the bot on the NASDAQ, and the ES has been in the short. Just hanging out, guys. Not a lot of movement here. We had 15 ticks in gold. It didn't get to miss my target by 2 ticks. I'm not sure why. But if this 082 area holds, we're going up. We could trade as high as 21. Boy, talk about slow. Guys, I'm going to take this gold trade off. I think here. It's no loss, but it's just not. It found buyers, missed target by 2 ticks. Nothing's really trading. 4. Yeah, come on, gold. Buy them back. Okay. Come on. Got a break here, 11.6. All right, we did. Now I'm liking that first target a lot. You have 14 ticks in it. Trade them as you see fit. 15. Stopped again. 1 tick lower high ahead of the swing. But we do have buyers. I think we'll get that first target. There it is. Hit target and no fill, of course. Hit target and no fill. 2 contracts traded.
Order filled.
All right, guys.
Order canceled.
18 ticks on 2. 18 ticks on 2.
Order submitted.
All right, stops at break even. Open target. NASDAQ's going to piss me off again. I'm going to move that.
Stop sale.
On the NASDAQ. Boy, the NASDAQ hasn't shown much in the last 2 weeks. Free trade in gold, guys. Now it's free. If we get above 13, 1 or 2, we could travel up to 14.5. Anybody still holding gold? Anyone still holding gold? Okay, fellas. I'll leave the stop at break even. If you guys want to, trade your runner as you see fit. I'd like to now try to get up close to 18. We're turning up on the bot. God, we're going to get 3 trades before the open. That's crazy. These small ranges. This will fire the long in 46 seconds.
Order filled.
One tick from Target. There's Target and no fill. Another peeve of mine. Target and no fill. Hit it. Come on, fill it. Hit target to the tick, did not fill. Anybody get filled at Target? Got 26 ticks on the runner on the order flow trade. That ES trade is hanging around, doing nothing. Seven. Ray, 7. Mhm. Just slow, guys. Excuse me. I'm a little annoyed at this gold trade. It hit target. Let's see here, guys. I agree. I mean, that's usually my philosophy. When it hits first target and doesn't fill, take them off. But let's see if we can go get a target. I mean, I like it to the long side. Nice job, Ray. Lower high in here at 6. Guys, give me 1 second. back, fellas. Just kind of flat here, guys. Not much to do here. Our order flow trade is a good trade. Again, gold hit target, didn't fill. This is when, those of you that are sitting in front of your machines may want to take it off when it does that stuff. I still think gold will pop long today, even. If you guys want to take your order flow trade off, your prerogative. It's below VWAP again. I'm going to take the order flow trade off if it closes above.
Order filled.
All right, so gold is out on the order flow, was good for 48 ticks. You guys may have done better.
Order filled.
I turned the breakout indicator on for the first time in a bit. Some of the guys have asked me to do that. I haven't used it on copper. We'll see what we get on. This ES is just dead, and it probably will be until gold isn't doing any better, but see what we can get on copper. Guys, at 9 a.m., as I do every day, I'll take my breakfast break. Again, I'm not sure if our trials are in, but good morning and welcome.
Mexico's President Lopez Obrador saying Mexico will be holding a referendum on the presidential term in March.
Come on, gold. Good Lord. It's 13 ticks, 11 ticks. That's all it is to first target.
Futures doesn't appear to take an active interest in the Parker Hannifin plan announced over the weekend. Said to see clarity on job protection at the Meggitt Corporation, which was announced over the weekend to be acquired by Parker Hannifin. But at this point, reportedly, there's no current plan to intervene in the Meggitt buyout.
Now copper's sitting on the breakout. For those of you folks that might be on trial, this indicator in the right-hand side is another semi-automated indicator. Unlike the bot, it does not predefine targets and stops. We use the swings. Crude comes on in a few minutes, minute and a half. 8:55 and then 9:30 Russell.
Current selling T-bills today, 3 tranches.
Morning, Mike. Rick, I watched it yesterday when I got back from Atlanta. It was very interesting. Thank you for that. It did. All right, guys, I'm going to move this, which is doing nothing. I'm not really paying attention to that. So gold trade is sitting with virtually no volume in gold. 75 contracts have traded. Obviously need to get back up through 12.7. I think it comes back down to 10.3. Stop is at 10.4. We'll see. It is what it is. Pre-market on a Monday morning. We did hit target. It didn't fill first target. NASDAQ did take this trade here, and it went into the trailing stop. It would not have gone to the fixed stop, but it did go into the trailing stop. So that's a losing trade. And ES is literally doing nothing. Nothing. Almost 45 minutes ago, it came back to entry, but it's been sitting. Gold will probably go to a loss. Gold is still maintaining this just ridiculously small range.
Stop sign.
Out on gold. Guys, anybody have any questions? We've got one order flow trade in the books for 48 ticks. We're just getting some small, sloppy movement in gold and indices. Any questions, guys? I'm about to take breakfast. Yeah, it's going to short right at the close. It'll short right at 9 o'clock. If gold breaks 082, call it 08. It's coming down.
Order filled.
All right, there's trade number 3. Still no real volatility. 10 tick first target. That's actually trade number 4. I've never seen 4 trades in pre-market on anything. It just speaks to the range. Guys, I'm going to go to breakfast. I'll leave the trade on the screen. All right, guys, I'm back. This gold is still doing what it's doing, chopping around in just a small area, guys. And now we have a fifth trade. Never seen 5 trades. Never. Unbelievable. Guys, anybody have any questions before we go? We still have some time ahead of the open. Good morning, B. Largely chop here, fellas, in gold. No trade in crude, which is open. Russell will be on at 9:30, and we are just largely chopping, mostly in gold. 5 trades in a couple of hours is, again, small, ridiculous ranges. That's it. And it may stay that way until Friday. Non-farm payrolls on Friday. Still have about 6.5 minutes, guys. If anybody has any questions, holler. For those of you joining us late, I have given 1 order flow trade on gold, which was good for 48 ticks. And the bots are just chopping around. Whatever your ATM is set at. I think we did it at 1, but I don't recall. All right, fellas. Yep. Still there, Jeff. No volume. 7 o'clock, it had that volume on the short, a little bit of volume in the 7:15 candle, and it's been dead quiet since. Yep, it is. I think gold goes to 21 in the next day or 2, maybe 3. I'm not big on the shorts, at least from an order flow standpoint. Anybody have anything before we go? Guys, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome. I'm not sure if my trials have funneled in yet, but welcome. We're opening up. I mean, the futures will open up positive. Gold's just sitting, guys. I mean, I'm running them regardless, so. Whatever the number is at the end of the day. NASDAQ's a little flat ahead of the open. I'll leave that there and that there for the open. Guys, any questions before we go? Anything? Closing in on 30 seconds to the open. We're off. We have small buyers on the open in NASDAQ. NASDAQ's going to go longs. Gold again hit target and did not fill. Yeah, that's twice today.
Target filled.
There, got target now. Target filled on the bot. All right, fellas. Just be patient. Hang on 1 second. NASDAQ's longs, guys. I'll need a pullback. Okay, out on the ES. Gold is going. Okay. NASDAQ, I'm watching around '08 for the long. Maybe '06. Come on down, NASDAQ. Here's where I like NASDAQ. This is an order flow trade if you guys are on trial.
Order submitted.
'06. May not get it, but that's where I like it. hang on, guys. Let it come. Let it sell. Let's see. Tesla's up 22 bucks. Facebook down small. Apple down small. Roku down. Netflix down. Nvidia down. Everything is down. Nice job, Lori. Yeah, we could come 55, which was Friday's close. Let them settle down.
Stop filled.
Okay, out on gold. They're buying the Russell, fellas. A little bit of buying in the YM. Nothing in crude. Come on, NASDAQ. What are you going to do here? Bounce. Here comes the low of the day. I'll buy 950 if we come down there. 950. $56. We may bounce here to 84. Bounce to 84 and possibly back to 15,004. Guys, hang on 1 second. Watch that 50. All right, I'm going to buy 51, guys. 51. I'm going to try this again down here on the bottom. One more try at the stop is 34. 34 stop.
Order filled.
All right, long. This should go 60. This should go 62. We got PMI coming here. 63.4. God dang it, NASDAQ.
ECB settling $28.4 billion in asset-backed securities purchases, $294 billion in public purchases last week. Settling $2.4 trillion in public sector bond purchases.
Here we go. Come on. Come on. This can go to 74, fellas.
Target filled.
There's target. This should go to 74. Break even, leave it. You're welcome, Dave. Well, they got me the first time. It's all right. 74 and the 97 is what I'm targeting, guys. 74 and the 97. Yeah, they just went and picked everybody's pockets. It's fine. I'm sitting at break even. I'll leave it at 51. With the gold trade, I'm green, even with the loss on the NASDAQ. There are no bot trades. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Go get 74. 77. Guys, I'm sitting at 51, right where the entry was, and that's where I'll leave it.
Stop fill.
I'm out on NASDAQ. Let's see what it does. I still think this is some small selling coming back in. ES, no interest. YM and Russell is being bought. Damn. AMD erupted. Missed that. Tesla 721. Candle close barely here. All right, I'll take it at just over 15,000 on the NASDAQ, guys.
Order submitted.
3 or half, I mean.
Order filled.
All right, there's the long, right? Come on. Should go to 11 first target. That 10.5 should be a good first target. Come on, dog. Come on. Got him. Got him. Come on. Trade him as you see fit, guys, but that should be a good target. Maybe 10, better target. Couple ticks is no, you got 6 handles in it. Trade him as you see fit. Come on. Come on. Off by 2 ticks. Some sellers here.
Target filled.
All right, got it. Target 1 filled. Free trade. Free trade. Nice job, John. Met your daily goal. Nice job. It's free trade, guys. I'll leave it at break even. If I get taken out, I get taken out. Don't really care. Oh my God. What a bad miss on AMD. Holy shnikes. Bad miss.
U.S. Treasury yields. U.S. 10-year below 1.2%. The 2-year approaching 17 basis points. The 2 10-year spread at 101.5. The Dow 180 points. The S&P at 21. The Nasdaq positive 71. Russell 2000 close to 1%.
Guys, anybody have any questions? Nobody. There should be nobody losing money. 4 trades today, 3 NASDAQ, right? 2 winners and a loser. And a winner in gold in the pre-market. There should be nobody not making money. Nice job, Greg. It'll be after 1 o'clock Eastern. I have order flow class today at 1. Yeah, I'm way down on the bots today too. Way down. Bots are way down. It's gold. Yeah, that's why, Marco, when guys tell me my data feed is off, I kind of don't put much stock in it because it's possible yours or somebody else's, whomever may say it, their data feed is wrong. So I don't pay much stock. That's why I run TradeStation simultaneously. 20 is the target on NQ, guys. 20 to 25. No, I said I'll be done at 1 because I have order flow class. Brad, class is at noon. You have the link. Yeah, I'll be done at 1. Here comes that 20. 20 to 25. I mean, we're in this area, guys. There you go. 19. You got $350 on the runner, fellas. Trade him as you see fit. Gold has hit second target. That's the first one that has gone further than target number 1. That's funny. Disconcerting, Marco. My price is accurate for what it's worth on both TradeStation and Ninja. My price is accurate. Guys, 1,800 buyers. We're not looking to get out of this runner. Unless you guys want ticks. Really don't want to see this below 975. 16, almost 1,700 net buyers. Not really looking to be out of it, but I want to see it hold, this 10 area. Okay. This is it for me here. I'll stop at 8.5, lock in 8 handles. I don't want it to come down through here. We could pull back to 96. If we lose, we did.
Stop fill.
Okay, out. We lost those buyers, right? Out. So let's see what we get. Gold is coming into my target. I think my target was 21. Maybe it was 18. I don't remember. 21. My target is 21 on GC. 22. I have not moved the stop. The trailing stop has got it. Trying to get to 22. Crude, which came back and took me out, just hit second target at 29 ticks. Russell's not turned up yet. See you tomorrow, Ray. So the only bot trade I have at the moment, guys, is gold. The auto trail is on. I'm going to manually move the auto trail just to target 1 and then let the auto trail catch up. ES is turning up on the bot. It may or may not get another trade. I don't believe it will prior to 10:30, but at 10:45 it may. NASDAQ, if this candle closes and then it rolls, would take the short. Any questions? Bots are gasping for air today. Not a good bot trade at all. Order flow, I'm at 11:55. Man, I don't know. 110? I don't know, Caleb. $110 today? I don't know. I think today, yeah, I mean, we got a shot of 84. Okay. I'm not sure, Veronica. I didn't hear from him over the weekend. I would say he's almost done. I think we're waiting on, I'm waiting on Joel to get TradeStation installed so that we can see the quasi-finished product, although I have TradeStation, we can put it on mine. TradeStation, the platform. Oh. Eventually, the next product for TradeStation, for those of you guys that don't know, I'm having the bot built for TradeStation. And then the product after that is going to be, I think, order flow. I want them to try to program order flow for TradeStation. There is no order flow for TradeStation. Just waiting on a pullback, guys. You can still take it long and leave it long if you want to put your stop at 80. It's not for me. I want to buy the pullback. How's it compare to ours, Magnus?
Order filled.
Okay. We got a second trade on Russell. I'll move it in a second as soon as I can. It's already at first target and I'm frozen and the targets haven't moved. I got to talk to Joel. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. That's because you must have, that's what your ATM is, Leo. That's what your ATM is. There we go. So here is Russell already hit target 1 to the tick. We do have sell pressure in Russell. It's already hit, but I froze on the entry. There it is, target filled. So 2 trades in the Russell, 2 winners. Freezing is such an issue.
Steel market manufacturing, the PMI at 49.6, up from 48.8 prior.
Stop filled.
Out on the runner. Another dink and dunk first target. Crude has exceeded third target. Took me out on the runner. Yeah, somewhere down there, 90 maybe, Rich. Yeah, 84, 8, yeah, to 90. We're longs in the NASDAQ. But I'm not, I don't want to buy them up here because here's my problem with the NASDAQ. We're trading into the 20. And then the 50 above it. Let's see here, Chris. All right, Chris. It's not my machine. I assure you it's not my machine. So here, again, here is the problem with break even, right? I told you guys this, and I'm going to do education on Saturday morning again. This is the problem with break even. We've hit now third target on crude. The break even button will kill you every time. Or at least, 8 out of 10 of those trades. Yeah, and I'm trying to find a place to get back, get in, Caleb, but I've got to get a pullback now. Come on. We have to pop above. If we get above 22, this goes. We could dump right down to 80. Just letting you know. Hit daily target. That's all right. You hit daily goal. Big bid's at 95. You hit daily goal. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. You still got your daily goal in. Nice job, David. You dog. I don't think we're far from bouncing, but the ultimate target on crude looks like 71.10. Have buyers in the candle. If it gets above this 21, 22, this thing will go get us target. Above 22, we're going to get target. Russell, no, that's YM. I'm sorry. Come on, crude. Break 22, we got you. I said break, not stop. There we go. We should get that first target, fellas. It's going to work through this sell zone. 33, target 1. Come on, don't stall here. Let's go. Come on. We've got buyers, 360, 370, 360, 350, losing some, losing them again. My final target will be 55 if we can get the first target. 142 at 17. This offer keeps poking in. He's gone. He's all the way up at 72. My final target would be 55. We got to 27. Come on. Let's see. That's odd, Bashkar. That's odd. Let me know what they say. That should be part of the CME. I don't think you have to ask for Russell. Come on, crude. Stop being a chooch. Come on. Yeah, you should. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You should have no problem with it. Come on. We've got a sequential decline. Look at your candle. 128, 94, 19. I need buyers at 27, guys. 26 or 7. If you guys are anxious, trade them as you see fit. I've got a few ticks in here. We're getting late in the session. Now gold goes to third target. Got a 174 buyer, 144, 175 at 24 and 25. There we go. 115. I still have a sequential though. 3 ticks. Come on, buy them. There we go. Working through this seller imbalance, guys. That's our problem. This big's up through 37. Stop needs to be 99, just so you know. 99. Which I will not hold till 99. Another 200 sellers back in. We've got, yeah, this is about it for me. Come on, bounce. 344. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out and done. I'm still hugely green. I'm still hugely green. Didn't give me target. I don't have one, man. I do not have one. 88, 80 area. We didn't come there. I don't have a re-entry. I gave you a trade if you wanted NASDAQ. I gave you guys a trade. I told you your stop had to be 83. It's longs with an 83 stop. I said it 5 times. You can still buy it. 83 is your stop. Nothing's changed. All the bots will be off in less than a minute here. They'll be done for the day. And then I'm going to wrap it up. 10 seconds and the bots are done for the day. So here's what we got. The bots are down 2250. My bots are 2250. They're all done. It's at 11 o'clock. Purple, 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 purple. We're done. 2250, fellas. Lousy day. Worst day they've had. Most of it in gold. I'm going to go over the trades. Here is the ES. I turned it on at 6, hoping to get an extra trade, which I did. Unfortunately, it was a losing trade. What? So I'm done here. Losing trade here. Went through the stop by 1250, about 5 ticks, and it's come to first target. But be that as it may, it's a losing trade. End of story. Here is the NASDAQ. I'm doing the easy ones first. Here is the NASDAQ. Took this short at 827. Did not get first target and went to a losing trade. Quite a bit through the stop, but we're done there. That's NASDAQ. Here's RTY. Took 2 trades, both winners. Par for the course with RTY. right? This long. This is the same trade here, guys, here and here. Same trade. Never flipped into a short. Got first and second target here. And then here, got first target, pop back up here on the trailing stop, and then would have had all three. But again, 2 trades, 2 winners. Here's crude. Gave me first target, pop back up into the break even, which I've since taken off, and has not only gotten all 3 targets, still going. Winner there. Much like last week, so far, Russell and Russell and crude are the shining stars. Here's the pain in the neck. This is the pain in the neck. 7 trades. It's just crazy. You can see it. It's all chop. First trade was a winner, went to second target. Second trade was a loser. Right? Stopped out. Third trade, this was a losing trade. It hit first target to the tick, did not take out my target, and then went to a loss. Another losing trade here, doesn't quite come to first target, 06, misses first target by 3 ticks. Winning trade here, another losing trade, and then this big trade. So we've got 1 winner. Oh, this was a winning trade. 2 winners, a loser, 2 and 2, 3 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 winners, 3 losers. This is your culprit here for most of the draw today. I mean, NASDAQ and ES didn't help, but total today, guys, was 12 trades with 7 winners. Summer trading. Gold. We have non-farm payrolls on Friday. That's big for us. Anybody have any questions before I wrap it up? This will be posted to YouTube and Vimeo, and it will be sent to my trials. When the bot's up $3,000, I have no obvious issue with sending out a video. And when it's down 2,200, I don't have any issue sending out a video. I just told you, they're down 2,250. The bots are down 2,250 today. But Russell and crude continue to shine. They have for weeks. Gold is chopping around. NASDAQ and ES especially is still not giving me any more trades. You know, what are you going to do? Guys, have a blessed day. For my order flow group, I'll see you in just under an hour. Order flow, even with that crude trade at the end, up 855 on my end. Order flow trades were good. NASDAQ is longs. I will not be on Skype today. I have things to do this afternoon. Guys, have a blessed day. Okay? I will, Isaac. I don't have an email from you. And do me a favor, Isaac. Please don't send them to all 3 emails. Just use my work email. Okay? Any work emails, guys, that come to my personal email, I generally just delete. I don't even look at them. I am looking now for, I don't have an email from you. Nothing. I don't have an email. Guys, have a blessed day. I will see you all tomorrow. Hopefully things pick up for us Tuesday through Friday. This link and one more, and we're out of summer. We're back into fall trading, thankfully. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Order flow. I will see you guys at 12 o'clock. Okay? See you guys.